Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jordan. If you're new here, hi, welcome, hey. And if you're not new here, hi, welcome, hey, welcome back, baby girl. I love you. Thank you for coming back to me. Today we're going to be doing, I don't even know what they're called. So this is, comes with a lot of instructions. Today we're going to be doing the FALSCARA lash extensions. So I ordered this little FALSCARA on Amazon. This is the Kiss one. So I guess FALSCARA is probably the brand or like the name of the Kiss product. So I ordered the Bond and Seal on Amazon. It was like $7. Everything that I was seeing in store was like $25 and they came with lashes, and I didn't love the lashes they came with. Like they just didn't look like my style. So what I did instead was I ordered some other lashes on Amazon. I'm between these ones and these ones, but I feel like I'm gonna go with these ones just for like my first time doing this because I want something that's gonna look a little more natural. I love a false lash. I love a false lash. So I want something that's like low maintenance that will last me a couple of days. I don't like lash extensions because I do not have the patience, one, to apply them or to like sit still for that long. And they're just a lot of maintenance. Like it's super time consuming, and I do a lot of beauty things, okay? I don't have that much time to dedicate to any one thing, okay? Well, I do dedicate that much time to makeup, but that's beside the point. So I think I'm gonna go for these lashes. These are on Amazon. I'll try and link everything down below, but I've never done this before. I have a feeling I'm gonna be okay with it though, because I kind of got a knack for that kind of thing. No, I don't know. I just like do a lot of like lashy things. I've tried it all girly, so I figured why not try this. So I'm gonna take this lash off the pan here and just set it down for now. Let's read the instructions on this because I'm really diving right in, but I haven't looked at a single thing on how to do this. This is a novel. Is there anything like quick? Yep. Bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. It goes a long way. Okay, so this side is the bond. It's clearly marked. Wisp under lashes. Use lash applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. I think the packs come with like a little lash applicator similar to this. This is probably what I'll end up using. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optimal control and apply. Okay, this is giving a lot of details on how to do that. That's good. I say a lot. It's this tiny section right here. I'm so dramatic. I just don't like to read instructions. And then seal the deal, which is this side, under wisps. Okay, so we're gonna do it underneath. The only thing that I didn't really think about when like deciding I'm gonna do it with these is that these are kind of fluffy. So I'm hoping that this glue doesn't like clump them together. We'll see. I'll leave notes down in the description so you know how they ended up, like how long they ended up lasting and if they got like clumpy and all that. Because the likelihood of me remembering or like waiting to edit this until like days later, we'll see. Maybe I'll surprise us both. Okay, so we're just gonna dive right in, girlies. So it doesn't say like how long to leave the bond on. Like I don't know if it's supposed to get tacky, but first things first, I'm gonna just like take this lash that I bought. So hopefully these don't get like dirty underneath or like are annoyingly sticky. We're gonna find out, you know, because if they're like sticky on the lash line, when I blink, it could kind of like pinch them together. So we'll see if I made a huge mistake or not. All right, next up, I'm gonna take my teeny tiny scissors, and then that's a good start. Also, should you have clean eyelashes for this? Absolutely. Do I have makeup on? Absolutely. Am I going to take it off? Absolutely not. I am not. I'm going to be lazy about this, and I'm just going to apply these lashes with a little bit of residue that I have. I'm going to start cutting these. I think I'll do little sections like how they sell them in their packs, maybe even a little smaller. I think I'm going to cut the first one right there. So that's how big my first little clump is, and I'm going to keep cutting these little chunks like that. I'm going to keep them relatively small. When I place them down, I'm going to place them right next to each other on my desk here so I don't get confused about like the order in which they go on. And I think it's probably a good idea to do one eye, I hope, and then I'll move on to the next eye. And I think for these inner corner pieces here, I'm going to cut them even smaller. Like that small, can you see? All right, let's do this. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna use Bond Let's see how these look. All right, so the wand is like a little mascara wand. It says a little goes a long way. Also, if you're seeing this video, I assume that this worked out or else I wouldn't be posting it. Okay, so that's on. I'm gonna start by applying it from the outer corner. That's my neighbors on their dirt bikes. They're so annoying. I'm gonna start on the outer corner here. Okay, that girl's on. All right, next one. I feel like this is gonna make my eye look droopy. I might have put that one out too far. Oh, this is sticky. This is sticky icky. These lashes are pretty. I've never actually used these lashes, but I bought them to do like wedding makeup, and I think I'm gonna love them. They're like, oh, they're really pretty. Oh my god. I hope this ends up staying as long as it said it would, or else I just took way longer than I needed to do a strip of lashes. Okay, that looks gorgeous. That looks really good so far. I do have a bit of like chunkiness going on up here. I think I got some of the glue on the top of this lash. This blaze is not very clean though. I'm just gonna go through and pinch these one more time with the lash applicator. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take the seal. Okay, again, oh, this is the part that I'm nervous for. This might make them really chunky, but anyways, over is gonna be kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna attempt to go over. Right, I'm gonna use a never before used spoolie to make these a little less chunky looking. I'm gonna pinch these again. What do we think? What do we think? Looks pretty good. I do wish that I didn't go so low on this outer corner. I should have kind of stopped a little bit higher up because it would kind of give the illusion of a more lifted eye. But this way I kind of like dragged my eye down, but it just makes my eye look a little bit more rounded than I normally do. So those are the two little pieces I did not use. Obviously it's a strip lash, right? So they don't fit everybody's eye size. So you just cut off as much, or you use as much as you need. Same way you would with like the chunks that they give you. And the chunks that they give you, if you end up trying this out and you do buy the whole kit, you can always just cut the chunks if you feel like they're too big for you or like you're having a hard time. Keep that in mind. Everything is customizable. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side the exact same way. My friend did these and she said that one of them was like irritating her inner eye. So she just took it off and then like replaced it. But I'm like, how did you take it off? Because this shit is strong. Oh, that's what she said. She said she just used like a makeup balm or like an oil to get it off. So if you have these on, I guess you probably shouldn't use like an oily makeup remover. Ew, look at these creases in my hood here. All right, girlies, let's see. They feel like they're on there strong. Also, pro tip on lashes in general, whether you're doing ones like these or you're doing strip lashes, if you are closing your eyes and the lash is touching your inner corner of your nose or anywhere on your face, it's going to annoy you. It might feel like, oh, it's a little odd right now, but it will irritate you the entire time it's off. So just your best bet is to take it off and replace it so it's not touching any part of your skin here, because it's gonna feel like poking throughout the day. Every time you blink, every time you smile, everything like that. So just a little pro tip on that. I'm done with my lashes. I think they look beautiful. They look like strip lashes. I don't know how to show you this. I'm gonna try and just zoom in. Hopefully you can see what the lash looks like on top from this angle. If not, I'm so sorry, but these are the lashes done, you guys. They look like beautiful normal strip lashes. Like I said, I'll leave in the comment how they lasted over the next few days, and I'll leave the links. It looks so cute. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. I love you and I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave me a comment. If you have any tips and tricks for the next time I do this, let me know, girl. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye.